video, I'm doing my summer bar card. So if you're interested in finding out more about this, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I'm so glad you came by, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget, and if so, then hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click that notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now the title of this collaboration is the Summer Bar Card Collaboration. And it is hosted by two wonderful YouTubers, Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Kimberly at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Now, if you're not familiar with these two ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist in the description box when it becomes available. Now, they asked us to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and that information will be down below in the description. They asked for us to decorate our bar card for the summer and also to use the hashtag that I'm going to run across the screen. The hashtag is hashtag Summer Bar Card 2020. So if you're interested in seeing what I did for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now I want to keep my bar cart simple. I didn't want to go too overboard with it. The copper pineapples are from Pier 1. The lime mat is from Big Lots, I believe. The copper coaster holder is an eBay find. And then the lamp, the copper lantern, that was purchased at dirt cheap. And down on the bottom row, the blue and green glasses, they were thrifted. As you see, I'm using the blue and the green hydrangeas on the top and the bottom to go with my decor this summer. And then, you know, the little sparkling drinks, they came from the Dollar Tree. And the ice bucket was thrifted as well. Now I want to keep it very simple because I didn't want too much on it because Houston is hot. So I wanted to make sure the bar cart was simple and to the point. I used my straws that are green and blue to match the hydrangeas that I'm using for this season. And then I have them floating in two of those terrariums from the Dollar Tree. One is hanging and the other one is sitting down with the green and blue hydrangeas. So just wanted to keep it simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, here is my drink. My husband and I are not drinkers, so I'm doing something a little citrusy for us to drink. So here I have a pitcher of water. I have some green tea citrus. I have some peaches. And then some blueberries here. So it's going to just be a basic tea drink. Trust me, nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular. I'm going to put me a couple of scoops of this green tea mix in. And then I'm going to put in some peaches. Oops. And a little blueberries. Then I'm going to put some blueberries. Now the blueberries are in with the frozen peaches. Just going to stir it around. Okay, so here is the final look of the drink. Something simple, something fruity for the summer.